is great to see him on Fiji soil, and that man there, Angus Bell, one of the best props in the world, returns to the starting side in the #1 jersey alongside Mahe Vailanu at hooker and Harry Johnson-Holmes at tight head. And I think the key for the Waratahs will be the work rate of their back row, Hannigan, Gamble, and young Fiji #8, Lungi Gleeson.
Yeah, and in the back line, exciting 9 and 10. I think it's going to be an important game for those guys. Jake Gordon at 9, Tane Edmund at 10. The back three, you got Dylan Peach, Mark Nawangini Tawase comes on for his 5th year, complemented by Max Jorgensen. And in the centres, Joey Walton and Isaiah Parisi. Expect some fireworks there in the midfield.
And for the Fijian Drua, well, we've already mentioned that Akanavati is back in the #2 jersey. He's such a key player, a real leader, flying Fijian with 13 caps already.
Yeah, the Drua's front row have been solid this year, and as you said, Huka Ikanavere, he's been outstanding. His leadership, his ball carry is going to be needed against the Waratahs.
And here come the Tars, 4 from 4 against the Drua. But this is the first time they'll meet on Fiji soil. They know they've got the formula to shut down the Drua, but will it work under these hot Lautoka conditions today? They played the Drua in Sydney, Melbourne and the Gold Coast in the past 2 seasons and have restricted the Drua to 18 points or less on all 4 occasions.
Yeah, when you look at the Waratahs trial form, round 1 to probably now, it's chalk and cheese. There's been promising signs that they're not far away off their best performance, but here in Fiji, it's a different story.
Here's a welcome for the home team, the Fijian Drua. They've won 3 of their last 4 at this venue, including the past 2 games. They've never won 3 on the trot at one venue. Whistle goes, and we're underway. Week 5 of Super Rugby Pacific in Lautoka. And Mira safe under the ball from the kickoff.
5 metres out.
Mahi Vailanu back in the starting team, back from injury. No Dave Parecki, so good timing to have Vailanu back. They go to the short side, and there's the pass to Vailanu, and there's the try. An opening try down the short side. Wow.
Great start there for the Waratahs. First opportunity, do something different. Pauliasi Damopiao, their forwards coach, would be happy with that one. Set line out play down the front. The Drua, they were expecting that drive in more. They've defended that pretty well in previous games. It's been an area of growth for them.
Still there for the Waratahs. This has been impressive. Advantages being played offside, the Drua. And now a quick recycle out to Lee Warner. Edmed adds the extra 3, so it is 10 points to 0. The Waratahs over the Drua.
Fine!
Lamani finally puts it in, takes it out. Armstrong Rabulit shows and goes and gets stopped about 7 out. Now Marcy straight through. Yosefo Marcy hits back for the Drua. 2 last week, 1 this week, 12 already in his short career in the Drua jersey.
Now, he's a world-class footballer, Yosefo Marcy. You just watch him how he moves off the ball as the pass is in the air to get on the outside of Perez here.
Keep coming in.
Akanavati goes to the front, and they've caught them napping. It's a try to the Drua. They come up with the goods, and it is Frank Lamani.
Frank Lamani scoring from a line-out play. All forwards will be very happy with that one, that the small man gets a try. That's outstanding. The forwards won't be happy with that. With the Waratahs, that was a soft try. He come running in nice and slow.
Fine! Set!
Lamani goes to the right, throws the dummy, gets a pass away to Vota. Vota, out is Marcy rather. Yosefo Marcy for the corner, and it is a try. The Drua, the Fijians, they're flying. Marcy, a masterclass.
There is no better sight than seeing Mussy in full flight. Nice little scrum play, midfield.
Kick to come from Isaiah Armstrong Rovula, Richie Mwanga's nephew. And Uncle Richie would be pretty happy with that one. Kalavani, they've got advantage, no need to panic. Lamani, Armstrong Rovula puts it on the toe, who wants it?
Offside.
Well, the youngster knew he had advantage, so they're going to come back.
It's good footy from the Drua, especially early on. Oh, they're taking the quick tap.
Trying to catch them napping, and they're only a metre or so out. Will the big men rumble?
Hands out! Hands up!
Lamani wants it. Darren Alungi spins, but he can't get it across the chalk. Now the wide ball! Oh my goodness! He's got three.
It can't be that man again. Yosef Amasi's got the hat-trick. He is absolutely top shelf today.
Armstrong Rovula, Volta and Marcy. This time he offloads, and it's been knocked down there by Nwanganitawasi. Mirror, 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 mirror. Looking to offload, who loses it forward. And it could be a problem here for the man playing his 50th game for the Waratahs.
Number 14. 14. Confirmed nothing more. So the cover coming through. And 14. What was the difference for me with the line break and Tane Tucker without the ball? It's very different. Yeah. This man has the overlap. It's a deliberate knock on because he's just reached out to try and stop the pass from getting it. There's an overlap. So it's a yellow card.
It is a yellow card for Mark Nwanganitawasi, and it's a penalty for the Drua. Armstrong Rovula, and will it come back? No, it won't. It stays out to the right.
Half time.
So that is half time at Churchill Park in Lautoka. All smiles there from Dylan Peach. Second half underway.
Apply the pressure, hold the balls, even if it's one phase, two phase, and go from there.
Line up out to the left, and that's where they go through Walton. And he got it away to Parisi, and now Gamble! They've gone the length of the field in a matter of a minute or so, and they come up with the goods. Charlie Gamble gets the try, gets the Waratahs back into it, you would think.
That's exactly what the Waratahs needed. Midfield scrum.
Lamani, Vode, and they're offside. Now it's Marcy. Can he get four? Not this time. Lamani with advantage. Hete. Lamani. Calavani, they can't stop him. To Victor. Calavani crashes over, and they hit back. All came from that handling error from the Waratahs. And the crowd, they are on their feet again. So it is a penalty, but not a yellow card. Alanu again to Hennigan. Here's Vailanu, here's Walton, he's over. Finally, they found an opening. And the Waratahs just keeping their hopes alive in Lautoka.
It's a great line from Joey Walton.
15 in from far touch, and it's coming around nicely. So it's 33. So there's plenty of time here for the Waratahs. They just have to keep playing their own game. Advantage being played there. You cannot. It's Glenn Jackson, a bit of a sharpshooter in his day. Looks on. He's got the distance, and the direction is good as well. Lockie Swinton Edmed, and here's Walton.
20 offside. Onside.
Okay, 20 offside.
Swinton loses it, but
Number 20.
so he might go to the
Number
pocket
20.
here.
Are you number 20? Number 20? Yeah. You're never back on side, and that's too many now.
Well, he's lost patience. And so
20,
the Drua
never
are
back
down
on
to
side.
14 men. Kitiani Salawa, 10 in the bin.
Offside, 20. The reason I have to play...
It's just
The
a
reason I have
feature
to play
for
through that is who actually places
the
it on.
Drua just to take that half a step
don't
back
milk
and
it,
stay
and we'll
on side
referee.
because their blue wall, their defensive wall was
Yeah, two blues coming.
remarkable in that set. Just
Are you
make
on the
that
mark,
extra
Jono?
effort just to take that half
Okay,
a
5
step
metres,
and the
guys.
rewards
Keep
will come
coming.
off the back of it.
Keep coming. Is two blue on? Just wait, hold it. Guys, is the sub made for 2?
So Davida and Canavati is coming from the field.
Where's the sub being made for 2? He's on? Okay. Yeah, thank you.
So 16, Zuriel
Time on.
Tongia Tama is on there. So 2 of their key players, Canavati and Lamani, off the field, replaced, and now here's the drive coming from the Waratahs. They're getting very close to the line. They are over, and he has got a double. Vailanu, here they come. The Waratahs, there's a spring in their step.
Yeah, there is, isn't there? Mahe Vailanu gets his second try. The Waratahs are finding their groove, their forward pack, especially around more time.
Okay, sub's done. Push back on the goal line. Come on.
Evan finds Hannigan, and now Gamble falls awkwardly, but it's back there for the Waratahs. Thompson Stringer, and now they continue to apply the pressure. Swinton, he's there, he's over.
Ball grounded.
The ball is grounded, and so the Waratahs, seemingly down and out at one stage, they've got an opportunity now to level. Goes high, pretty long. Orsesi, the chase was good for Peach, and they'll try and hold him up.
The ball is there, leave it.
It's going to come back for, oh, hang on.
No. 21, come here. I'm controlling it, the ball is out to the side. The ball is out to the side of that player, and you've hit him in the head 3 times.
Wow, yellow card. Bit of a brain explosion from Matawalu, one of the most experienced players.
Number 9.
Phase after phase that got them back to 36 all. And now, if they go to the left, here's a drop goal. It's not successful.
Zap that energy out from the Drua again and hopefully look for a penalty.
Knocked back, it's loose on the ground, and it's been knocked on first of all. Collapsing the ball is the call. They don't have to panic.
19 collapsing.
Goes for the drop goal. It's over! Camu Valentini, the Iceman, from a year or so ago, has done it again. He had an advantage, and he has done it.
Wowee, he's done it off the tee a couple of times for the Drua. Wasn't even in the best position to take that drop goal. They had the advantage, and he strikes it well and does it again for the Drua.
36 all at full time. Then the realisation hit home. It's golden point. The Waratahs had their opportunity. They couldn't nail it. And then at the other end, they had advantage here. Nothing was happening. And then Camu Valentini sends it down the middle, and it's 39-36. And the Drua have beaten the Waratahs for the very first time.
The very first time indeed, Clark, and what a way to do it here in Fiji in front of their home fans again. Oh, what a game of footy that was. Both teams were outstanding.